I get this question all the time. Devin, what skills do you actually need before starting a YouTube automation channel? Short answer, fewer than people think, but the right ones matter. You do not need to be an elite editor, voice actor, or designer on day one. You need 5 operator skills. First, niche judgment. Can you look at a topic and tell whether people are already watching it and whether you can make a better angle? Second, packaging. That means titles and thumbnails. If you can't make people click, the rest doesn't matter. Third, scripting for retention, not good writing in a school sense. I mean, strong hook, clear structure, no fluff, and each section earns the next. Fourth, production management. Even if you outsource, you need to brief people, review drafts, and keep quality consistent. This is where a workflow layer like Satura is useful. Fifth, basic analytics reading. You should know how to look at click-through rate, audience retention, and topic performance, then decide what to change next. Here's the decision rule. If you can do 3 out of those 5 yourself, you're ready to start. If not, don't wait forever. Pick the weakest one and fix that first. That's the real skill stack.